Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use granular brightness controls for adjusting your brightness more accurately on MacBook Neo. So by default, we use F1 and F2 keys to adjust display brightness. However, this will increase or decrease the brightness by a chunk, and if you want to make smaller changes, you can either go to the Control Center menu and use this manual slider, which will allow you the manual adjusting of your device's brightness, and we can go from minimum to maximum and grab basically any possible instance of the brightness level. And still, if you don't want to do this, we have a shortcut for this. So using the MacBook's keyboard, we can actually do the same thing without our touchpad. So just press the hold down Shift and Option buttons together, and while holding them, press F1 or F2 for granular brightness adjustment. And that's how you easily adjust brightness on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.